Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut! Hi! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes! Ça va? Ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça va mal ou ça va très mal? Moi, comme si comme ça, parce que il pleut. It is jour number. Can you start at 20 and count to 34 in French while putting one leg behind the other, squatting down and then switching? Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34! Très bien! Jour number 34. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And merci beaucoup to everybody who has subscribed. If you're yet to do so, please hit the button below. Today we are going to learn 4 new foods. And we're going to go over to la cuisine, the kitchen. And I think we can go over to Mr. Innes right now in the kitchen. Bonjour, Mr. Innes. Hello. No, we seem to be maybe having a few difficulties. That's slightly embarrassing. Let's move on then and do our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day means I need. Écoutez. J'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de. Répétez. J'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de. J'ai besoin de. Très bien. And now it's time for our ooh la la vocab. You are live, Mr. Innes. Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everybody. Bienvenue chez ma cuisine. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook a French fry-up. There are two things that I'd like to say before we get cooking. Numéro 1. If you are going to do a big fry-up like I'm just about to do, make sure you do lots of exercise beforehand. I just ran 26 kilometers. And numéro 2. The French don't normally do fry-ups, but the sorts of food that we're about to cook are the sorts of things that French people eat. So if you're thinking, where's my black pudding? Or where's the bacon? Or even, where are my pancakes and maple syrup? Well, these sorts of foods are not those, are the type that the French would actually eat. First up, we're going to skin and chop some potatoes! Potatoes! Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. On met de l'huile. Potatoes in French is pommes de terre, which literally means apples of the earth. Écoutez 6 fois. Listen 6 times. Pommes de terre. 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 Répétez. Pommes de terre. Pommes de terre. Pommes de terre. Pommes de terre. Pommes de terre! Pommes de terre. Next up, we'll add some sausages. Sausages in French is, écoutez 6 fois, des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Répétez. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Des saucisses. Time to chop and add some mushrooms. These are giant. Mushrooms in French is, écoutez, des champignons. Des champignons. Des champignons. Des champignons. Des champignons. Des champignons. Répétez. Des champignons. Des champignons. Des champignons. Des champignons? Des champignons. Last up, we crack and add the eggs. Eggs in French is, écoutez, des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Répétez, des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Des œufs. Ouh là là! On met du ketchup et du sauce. And in French, to wish someone a nice meal, you say, répétez, bon appétit. Merci. And now it's time for which one's missing? As per usual, I will help you with the first trois. First up, we've got des pommes de terre, des saucisses, des champignons, and des oeufs. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said des saucisses. Next one, we've got des champignons, des pommes de terre, des oeufs, and des saucisses. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said des oeufs. Next one, we've got des pommes de terre, des oeufs, des saucisses, and des champignons. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said des champignons. Next one, and you are on your own. Which one's missing? Bravo, if you said des pommes de terre. Next one. Which one's missing? Bravo, if you said des oeufs. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo. Très bien, magnifique et fantastique if you said des saucisses. Let's move on now to sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. In today's sensational sentences, we're going to think about how to say, I need some sort of food. So can you remember what our phrase of the day was? Très bien. J'ai besoin de. Now, because all of the foods we learnt today started with de, instead of saying j'ai besoin de, we'll say j'ai besoin de, and then whatever the food is. I'll help you with the first de. How do you say I need potatoes? Répétez. J'ai besoin des pommes de terre. J'ai besoin des pommes de terre. Bravo! How would you say, I need sausages? Répétez. J'ai besoin des saucisses. J'ai besoin des saucisses. Bravo! Give it a go by yourself. How would you say, I need mushrooms? Magnifique if you said, j'ai besoin des champignons. Et finalement, how would you say, I need eggs? Fantastique if you said, j'ai besoin des œufs. J'ai besoin d'un café. Beaucoup mieux, much better. Let's move on now to our fun French fact of the day. Now, did you know that loads and loads of English speakers have been learning the wrong word for sausages for years and years. Lots of people learn the word sausages as des saucissons, but des saucissons are different types of dried meats, a little bit like salami. In fact, this is a special type of French salami, which is called un saucisson. But as we've learnt today, the type of sausage you put in a fry-up is called des saucisses. And let's finish up today with our Song of the Day. Now today's Song of the Day is by Lou, and it's called Besoin d'air, which means I need air. Lou was only 15 years old when this song came out last year. She's one of quite a few French teenagers who got famous on The Voice Kids France. You can find a link to the song in the description below. And that's everything for French with Mr. Innes. Jour number 34, très bien. It's been so nice having you here. I've gone from comme ci comme ça to ça va très bien. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. Stay tuned for the blooper reel at the end of the video. But for now, à bientôt and au revoir. Bonjour tout le monde, hello. Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, no. First off, you are, now because all of in today's sensational sentences, eggs in, for low, and, no, I want to move that. Lou was, I'd love it if you could press, no. Ooh la la, I am so